Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix and solve the proxy server is refusing connections error in Firefox. Type any website in search bar. The Firefox browser displays, the proxy server is refusing connections. Solution is, click the Firefox settings on the right top corner. Click Option. Click General Settings. Click Network Proxy Settings. Click the checkbox in No Proxy. Click OK and restart your Firefox browser. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.